What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to clear your Windows cache and junk files quickly and efficiently. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In your Start menu, type Run and hit Enter. In the Run command window, type Prefetch and hit Enter. In the File Explorer window, proceed to select all the files and proceed to delete them. These files are used by Windows to store information in relation to software activity, including the number of times software has run and associated files used by the application. When this is done, search for %temp% and hit Enter. Your File Explorer will open up, containing all the temporary files that have been stored by your applications. You can safely delete all the files in this folder. Some files might remain, so just leave them there. Just like before, we will make use of the Run command again. In your Start menu, type Run and hit Enter. In the Run command window, type Temp and hit Enter. In the File Explorer window, proceed to select all the files and delete them. This is another location where temporary Windows files are stored, such as previous update files. Lastly, in your Start menu, type Run again and hit Enter. In the Run command window, type Clean mgr and hit Enter. In the pop-up window, proceed to select the drive in which you want to clear cache and junk files. Once selected, click OK. A disk cleanup window will open up. Check all the boxes and press OK to clean up the selected disk from any remaining cache and junk files. If you want to see how much storage you have left and if there are any other junk files you can remove, open up your Windows settings. Under System, click on Storage. It may take a second to load, and then look through your temporary files and under Other to see what else you can get rid of. For example, the content in your recycle bin, thumbnails, temporary internet files, files in your downloads folder, and more. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.